Welcome to KAWO's ultimate introduction to social media in China. In this video, we're going to be taking a look at WeChat for Work and how it's helping businesses to transform the way they work internally and connect with their customers. A few years ago, WeChat clearly realized that their app was being used for both business and personal life. And this was both creating challenges for users, whose WeChat accounts were becoming more and more full of different types of conversations. And it also presented a challenge for companies too. And around this time, they introduced WeChat for Work and have continually iterated on this platform. The main benefits to users are you now have a way to separate your personal and your private life. So you don't have to have everything all mixed into one place. You're able to snooze the notifications on WeChat for Work when you're off work and set an away reminder if you're on holiday. The big advantage to companies is they can provide a lot more services to their employees, and they can also take more ownership of the data. Before, if you had somebody working in a store or a salesperson working for your company, as soon as they left, they took their WeChat account and all their contacts with them. Now with WeChat for Work, you can give them an account under your company account. They can add all of their contacts into that account, and then you have ownership of the data. If that person leaves, you can then transfer those contacts to a different person. As well as that, you can also provide lots of other services for them. For convenience, you can allow them to request holiday, file expenses. You can provide other rich interactions in the form of mini programs, so they can look up products and services your company provides, share content from your official articles to their contacts in their WeChat for Work account. This is really a great way for you to help your staff and also to make their jobs easier too. And we see continual updates to WeChat for Work. There are two great resources here that I'd like to recommend. The first one is again from Grata, who really do produce great content. They've produced this awesome guide to WeChat for Work, explaining the whole platform and all of the opportunities it provides. And then second is this guide from IT consultants who worked in collaboration with Gene Digital on ways that WeChat for Work can be used for marketing and digital transformation in your company. To watch the next video in the series about WeChat and social CRM and all of the opportunities that offers, just click up there. To download the full PDF with all of the slides for this guide, just take a look down in the description below. And if you want to learn more about our company KAWO that helped create this guide, then please take a look at this video over here, and this will give you a full introduction to our software platform.